Seriously, if you can besides this glue, if you can detect some lace, please let me know. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on this unit that I got from ADDWIGS. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I will be adding some highlights to this unit today. I got this little highlight packet or highlight cap from, it's by Salon Care. I've actually had this thing for years and I'm like, ooh, let's add some highlights. And I really hope that this is going to be a very easy way to do this, and maybe it'll be my new way of adding highlights without any errors. So if you guys are interested in seeing what this is going to look like today, then continue to watch. I've got a little paddle brush here. Oh, I like this. Look, it looks like I won't have to do any bleaching. This unit has come pre-bleached, you guys. So I really can't believe that just happened. This mother fricker just broke on me, so I gotta go find something else that will do the same thing. Maybe my comb. I cannot believe that just happened. So far, I like this little technique. It was pretty easy, simple to work with. I would say don't dig your utensil too far into your lace. I kind of did that at one point, and I think I might have snagged a piece of lace in there just a tad bit. However, I was careful after that one try not to do that again. If you take your hand in like a little circular motion, it pulls out the hair pretty easy, like so, without making any snags. I'm just making sure I have enough pulled out right now. I think this looks good. Now I already have my bleach ready to go. I'm gonna let that sit for a while, and then probably about 30-40 minutes depending on where the color gets to, then I will come back in and wash it off. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. As you can see, she is getting pretty blonde. I am going to wash it out with purple shampoo, and then I'm going to condition it with purple conditioner as well, so that way it can kind of wash out some of that brassy orange tone. This is a Brazilian hair full lace wig. I have it in 20 inches. It's in the color 1B. The cap size of this unit is a medium size. The density is 130%, and it has a silk base. So it comes naturally pre-plucked. It also comes with a cap under the lace that will make the wig look natural once you wear it. Today, to lay my wig, I'm going to use this Pump It Up spray. This is super hold, instantly freezes your hair in place spritz spray. I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen this around everywhere. I think this has been out for a very long time, probably since I was a child. But yeah, I'm going to use this to secure my wig today. I probably won't be wearing it before a few hours, so that's why I'm going to use this instead of, I just made that go all on my makeup.
So to speak, you're quick to change your mind, and I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So
Well, you guys, ADDWIGS, you have shown out. Okay, this unit is so beautiful. I bleached it. It took the bleach perfectly, y'all. The highlights, I'm not sure if they're really showing up in my camera considering my lighting, but I will insert a clip here. It take very well. I am 100% pleased with that method, so I will be using that a lot more when I get ready to add highlights to my units. This unit has not been shedding on me. It's not tangling, which I'm pretty sure it probably will tangle at some point, probably even shed at some point, you know, once you have your units for so long. But first impressions, it is showing out. You're getting an A+. It is not giving me any issues. I did not pluck this lace, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. I think there might be a little like leftover glue right there. I tried to wipe it out with alcohol, so ignore this section, but look up in here. Look at that, y'all. That's straight out of the packaging and you're able to wear your unit, okay? Not to mention this is a full lace wig, so I can literally do whatever style I want to. High up ponytail, half up, half down do, side part, middle part, freaking part on the side of my head, pull back into a braid. It's amazing. It's also very big head friendly. So this is the medium average size cap, but I have so much space. And usually I have to have like a large cap when I wear wigs, but this is showing out. I'm gonna stop saying that. I mean, I keep saying that, but I promise you guys, this is a unit you need. So I'll be putting everything in the description box below. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, just make sure you check it out below. If you got this far in the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell below as well, so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Also, if you feel like it, please follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. I'll put the handles down there as well. Very active on both social media platforms. And thank you again to ADDWIGS for sending me this unit. I really love it. I freaking love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.